In this video, I'll show you how you can speed up the boot time of your PC on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now the first thing I suggest you do is you come here and search for disk cleanup, open it and select which drive, press OK and then delete everything you don't need. Now I suggest just keeping the downloaded, or you can just remove everything because these are just the extra files that you have. So once you've done that, what you want to do is come here and search for Task Manager. Go in here and go to Startup. Make sure you turn everything off that you don't need. So disable Xbox, Epic Games Launcher, whatever. Just disable everything you don't need, which is going to make it boot faster. Now after this, what we want to do is come here and search for Power Plan. Open up the Power Plan and go to Power Options. Choose what the power buttons do. Change settings. And then you want to enable Turn on Fast Startup. Now this is gonna make it start up faster, and that's basically it, guys. Now you can also take the latest Windows update if you have one, because if you're using a very old Windows update, it might take a longer time to boot. Now that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.